Hello, welcome back to another skincare DIY. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own Shea Butter Lotion at home. Shea butter is a fantastic ingredient, rich in vitamins A and E, and fatty acids that are super moisturizing and soothing for the skin. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Let's go over the ingredients you'll need. 1/2 cup of shea butter. Go for unrefined or raw for the most benefits. 1/4 cup of coconut oil. This should be solid at room temperature. 1/4 cup of sweet almond oil, or you can use other carrier oils like jojoba, olive, or avocado. 1 tablespoon of beeswax. This is optional if you want a thicker consistency. And finally, 10-20 drops of essential oil for fragrance. Lavender or vanilla are great choices. Let's start with step 1, melting the shea butter and coconut oil. Use a heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water. Melt the shea butter and coconut oil together, stirring occasionally until completely melted. Step 2, add the carrier oil. Once your shea butter and coconut oil are melted, remove them from the heat. Now add the sweet almond oil or your chosen carrier oil to the mixture. Stir until fully combined. Step 3 is optional, adding beeswax. If you prefer a thicker lotion, add the beeswax to the melted mixture and stir until it's completely dissolved. Step 4, cooling the mixture. Let it cool slightly, but not so much that it begins to harden. This is the perfect time to add your essential oils if you're using them. Stir well to incorporate. Step 5, whip the lotion. To achieve a lighter, whipped texture, use a hand mixer or stand mixer. Whip the mixture for several minutes until it becomes light and fluffy. This step is optional but makes the lotion easier to apply. Step 6, transfer to a container. Once your lotion reaches the desired consistency, transfer it to a clean, airtight jar or container for storage. Step 7, store and use. Store your homemade shea butter lotion in a cool, dry place. It should last for several months depending on the freshness of your ingredients. To use, scoop a small amount and apply it to your skin, massaging it in until absorbed. Now, for some customizations. For extra moisture, add a tablespoon of vitamin E oil or a few drops of glycerin. For sensitive skin, consider using chamomile or calendula-infused oil instead of essential oils. For acne-prone skin, tea tree or lavender. Essential oils can be beneficial due to their antibacterial properties. A couple of tips to keep in mind. If your lotion is too thick, add a bit more carrier oil. If it's too thin, melt it down again and add a bit more shea butter or beeswax. Start with a small amount of essential oil, as shea butter has a natural nutty scent that may be strong. Adjust based on your preference. And remember, when melting ingredients, use low heat to preserve the beneficial properties of the oils and shea butter. This shea butter lotion is ideal for moisturizing dry skin, soothing irritation, and providing a protective barrier against environmental damage. Enjoy your homemade skincare product. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY skincare tips. See you next time.